What makes Oasis different than the other cancer centers that you can find in either the United States or elsewhere? And there's some very important distinctions. And basically, fundamentally, the distinction is that most places that one goes to when they have cancer would be considered treatment facilities. It's a place where the person goes and receives treatment, and they sit back, and this is a passive role. It's a role in which you are the recipient of care and the knowledge and the wisdom and the technology and the procedures, and you sit back and it's done to you. And then you leave, really the same person that walked in the door is the same person that walks out of the door. It's just that you've had some things done to you. What we have learned, and what is clear, I think, to anyone with who considers this subject, is that if you are the same person that walked in the door, that walks out of the door, then you're going to continue doing the things that you did that led you in the door in the first place. And that is, you're going to continue to live a lifestyle that produces cancer. So where we distinguish ourselves completely from the rest is that we consider ourselves a healing center. And in a healing center, you go in and it's a participation. It's showtime for you. It's time for you to go in and redefine who you are and change your lifestyle so that when you leave, you're no longer producing cancer. Because really, isn't that what we all need to do, is stop making cancer? And if we don't stop making cancer, you can have the best technology in the world to remove it, it'll be back. Okay? So what really happens in a healing center is that doctors, nurses, therapists, and chefs, and all of that, we all become guides to you on your journey. And there's a great deal of learning about the body, what this body is made of, how it functions, and what it needs, and where to have those needs met, etc. So really, this is what we call the school of life. This is how people learn what they probably should have learned as a basic education growing up anywhere in the world through high school. I mean, we should all graduate high school knowing how to take care of ourselves. And ironically enough, we don't. So we're filling in that gap. So really, that is the major distinction. And that is why we have people that are in contact with us 8, 10, 12 years later.